Hi, I'm Vikas. I'm a PTE trainer here at Bangalore, India. Today we're going to discuss some tips that you could use to answer the relatively easier question type, which is the answer short questions of the speaking section. So if you guys found this video useful, please subscribe for more updates. Thank you. All right, guys, let's get started. So today we're going to be covering some methods for a relatively easier section, I would say. The answer short questions is the easiest part of the speaking section. Now, you follow a quick set of methods that I'm going to give you here. It should fetch you good marks. Now, make sure that you know you're attending everything because everything carries marks and everything contributes. If you want a 79 plus, make sure that you're not ignoring any questions at all. Let's just quickly get started. So, your answer short questions is basically when a small question is presented to you, a small voice recording that contains a question is presented in front of you. It plays automatically, and you quickly just answer to it. The first most important step of this method is that you listen to the questions very carefully. The whole point is that you should be able to grasp different accents and grasp different people speaking at different rate of speech. There could be an Indian speaking and Mexican speaking, or a European, or a Native American, anybody as a matter of fact. So the whole point is that your listening as well as your speaking skills are tested. The second most important section to it is that you answer in just one word or two. uh, just one word. If the question is like what's the next month after February, absolutely there could be questions like this. Just say March. You don't really have to repeat the whole sentence saying that the next month after February is March. You could just simply just say March, right? And yeah, of course, if you're unsure, just make a guess. There's no negative marking for this, so just go ahead and feel free. So I'm going to give you a couple of examples here, so you just get a look and feel of it. So it's pretty easy, right? Stay tuned, guys. I'm switching over to the examples now. Here's the first example.
In business and advertising, what does PR stand for?
I'm going to repeat this once again.
In business and advertising, what does PR stand for?
So what does PR stand for? Public relations, right? Yeah, I'm sure all of you got. Here's the second example.
Name the month that falls between April and June.
See, I just told you. I'm going to repeat this once again.
Name the month that falls between April and June.
Yes, May. That's correct. All right, guys. So let's wind up this lecture. Just remember that you need to listen carefully all ears. All right, all ears. It could come at different speeds, different accents, like I told you. So just make sure you're certain of the answer. And if you're not sure, just make sure you make a guess. All right. I hope this was a helpful lecture. If you have any queries, questions, just feel free to comment below. I'm more than happy to help you guys. This is Vikas signing off with the PTE lectures. Thank you, guys. Thank you for your time.